There are a ton of great bunny hop tutorials on YouTube. I think I have about 5 on my channel alone, covering a few different types of bikes. Today though, I'll attempt to teach bunny hops using a completely different approach. If you've been banging your head against the wall trying to learn them, then hopefully this one will help you make some progress. First, let's slam into this curb. It's a lot smoother to ride up curbs when you pop your front wheel up or even just lean back a bit to take some of the weight off the nose of your bike. You should keep practicing this until you can get up a curb without bumping your front wheel on it. Once your front wheel is up the curb, you can try to do the same with the rear. At first, you can just lean forwards to take some of the weight off the tail of your bike, but throw your weight forwards more drastically and you can get your rear wheel up the curb smoothly. It's also helpful to angle your toes forwards and scoop the rear up, but that part isn't as important as throwing your weight forwards. Keep practicing this approach to getting up curbs and then increase your speed as you grow more confident. Given enough practice and speed, you'll be bunny hopping up curbs. So now you might be thinking, gee, thanks Seth, you taught me how to do a 3-inch bunny hop. But you don't need to stop at curbs. Take this technique over to something higher and you can follow the same steps. On a ledge, you'll need some extra help with the front wheel. On a mountain bike, you'll need to throw all your weight down to preload your suspension, so you can pop up in sync with the recoil. If you have a rigid bike like a BMX, then don't worry about this part. Just crouch down and pop up. Now, this technique teaches you to hop onto things, whereas you'll usually be jumping over things in the mountain bike trails. You'll be happy to know that the technique is basically the same. If you can hop up a 1-foot ledge, then you could probably jump over a 1-foot log with some practice. Now, before you do any of this, be sure to pump your tires up to the maximum pressure, as it's easy to get a pinch flat if you hit your rear wheel on the curb. If you run tubeless tires, increasing the pressure will protect your rim. Good luck, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for riding with me today, and I'll see you next time.